So let's look at how to use AI to answer questions. Okay, as a teacher, let's take for instance, move to my gallery so you get a better view of what I'm saying. I said, and to teach this, let's take for instance, and to teach this to the children, and I've checked it's not something I can do. We have a way you can go about it. So with this, what you just need to do is to snap that particular thing that you want to do. When you snap it, so we move to our Gemini AI. So the reason why we will not be using the chat GPT is because the image upload in chat GPT is limited to just one. So if for instance you have about two things to do or to about two images to upload, it will not be working in chat GPT unless you subscribe to the pro version. So but there won't be need for that since we have other tools that we can use to go about it. So I'll be making use of my Gemini AI to answer the question. So I open my Gemini AI. So you click on your plus button to upload. So when you click on your plus button, you click on photo, you move to that image you are looking for. You want to solve this what we are looking for, this image here. You click on it. You can preview it to be sure that that is the exact image. So I'm done previewing it. So you click on done. So when you click on done, answer this question. Answer these questions. Then you click on the arrow button. Let's see. It's analyzing the question. Yes, analyzing. You can see. So let's look at it. When you look at it, you'll find out that the classroom is a place where people seek to learn. A teacher teaches in a classroom. In a classroom, there is usually a blackboard on which the teacher writes notes for the pupils to copy. So you can see, very quick, has answered it. And you know what? You can also use just this pattern. You can tell AI to do what? To generate another question. Generate another question using the above format on generate another question using the above format on composition about what now? Let's say composition about my school. My school. Let's see what AI. Let's see. Generate another question using above format on compositional. So you want to reproduce. You want to reproduce something similar to what you asked AI to answer. Let's see. So can you see it? You can see it now. Composition describing my school and surrounding. Then you have your exercise. So this is the list of words will be telling. The name of my school is Excellent Primary School. It is very large and dash. You can see it is very large and what? Look at it. Every morning pupils walk through the school gate wearing their neat school uniform. So you can see AI has succeeded in doing what? Giving you Another question similar to what you have in your textbook. So, as a teacher, it is time to do work. Think smarter, not work harder, but think what work smarter and think smarter with the use of AI tools. All right, see you in our next video. Hope you got value. Please don't forget to react to the post. All right, bye bye.